Hello, folks. This is another one of those in-between travel days moments that I want to watch every now and then to reminisce moments with my family. These happen a while after the Asia 4 travel series. In this segment, my daughter gifted me with an Ancestry DNA Kit after doing one for herself and knowing her ancestry firsthand. She enjoyed the experience of using the kit and anticipating its results that she bought one for me so that she could compare her results with mine to see whether or not she is really my daughter. Just kidding. Upon receiving it, I opened the kit, followed the instructions, and sent it at the address provided. The following are the results of my DNA test. Sometime after that, we spent Christmas at home as usual. My wife is a good cook, and she likes cooking, so she was the one who prepared everything. I'm only good at tasting her food. We had a fine time together celebrating our Lord's birthday.
I'll teach you how to.
Thank you. Okay, just watch, Aya.
I'll teach you how to drink.
That's all the perform. Okay, Mama, it's your turn. Okay.
I'll be the judge.
Ano the bottle? Okay, natin.
I know. I want to see how it sprays.
Wow. What?
It doesn't spray nice.
What?
Oh, Hercules, 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 Hercules.
That's nice, Mama. Where'd you get this tomahawk? Walmart. Walmart?
Oh, it's gonna take Walmart pala. I thought you were looking for the cow.
Hey. Boys. Decor lang yan. She did? Oh.
Hey.
Oh. That's not bad.
That's too thick.
That's not bad.
Yeah, wait. So I can replace it. Okay,
This is it? This is all
that's
you want?
it.
Hmm?
That's
Are you
it,
not happy
guys.
with my Versace?
I am. I no longer stink.
Oh, hala.
It was a struggle with the soap.
Taste it while still hot.
Okay.
You leave 6. Tiga-anim tayo dyan. Gabi doesn't eat. 6 kay Sam, 6 kay ay, 6 times 4, 24. Yeah. Birthday, Jesus! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jesus! Oh, blow! Yeah! You want one more? More? Okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Jesus! Woo! Woo! Happy birthday, Jesus! Woo! Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jesus! Woo! Woo! More. 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 Yay! You want some steak for some? Why not? Why not?
Kasi it's undercooked, so you don't want to.
No.
I'm telling you, it's red.
He'll eat
He
it.
doesn't eat it?
In the worst case scenario, I'll refry it.
Yeah.
But that's why
you
you
sa
sa
oven
steak.
lang.
Sa fogo de chao.
I-open lang mo yan.
Reopen.
Dalawang
Okay, I'm laying down.
Yeah.
Open. What's that?
Lastly, we spent New Year's Eve at another family member's home. Again, the main activity is the karaoke while eating and drinking. While the karaoke sessions were being done downstairs, the opening of gifts happened upstairs. Also, we often have this tradition of wearing similar clothes for each member of a certain family. It's always a truly enjoyable gathering every year.